Hello friends, in today's video I am going to discuss one idiom which is related to handwriting. I will give you some example and meaning also, and I have given 2-3 different questions which can be asked in your part 1 and part 3 questions of speaking skill, and one essay question at the end. So let's start our video. The idiom is have handwriting like a chicken scratch. It means to have very poor, messy handwritings like the marks made in the dirt by a chicken. Example: I can't understand notes of my student whose handwriting is like chicken scratch. ये idiom आप तब यूज़ कर सकते हो जब आपको किसी के बहुत गंदे अनरीडेबल टाइप ऑफ हैंडराइटिंग्स को डिस्क्राइब करना होता है. Here I have given part 1 and 3 questions. Very first is, do you think handwriting is still important? Answer: yes, of course it is still important, as in Indian education system we still have written test pattern, and if our handwriting is like chicken scratch, then it plays major role in our academic results. Another question is, does bad handwriting affect our score? Answer: yes, definitely. If your handwriting is like chicken scratch and examiners won't understand what you have written, they have no choice but to penalize you in that case. So these are the example with the answer. Another 2 questions I have mentioned here are, handwriting problems are more common in boys, and fourth one is, do you think that handwriting express personality? I want you all to make your answer for these 2 questions and share in the comment section with this idiom. At the end, this is the essay question regarding handwriting. Question is like this: nowadays importance of handwriting is decreasing day by day. Is this a positive or negative development? What are the reasons for this? I want you all to practice this essay question as well. This is newly added essay question. Hope this video helpful to you. If you like, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you and have a nice day.